What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back to Pat Neely's Kitchen, or should I say Pat Neely's Bar. It's cocktail time, y'all, and I gotta tell you, do I have an old-time favorite for you. Now, most of you that know me, y'all know I am a Jack Daniels man. I've been a Jack Daniels man all my adult life. I always said I like to support my state because the Jack Daniel distillery is located in Lynchburg, Tennessee. And so I always used to say, well, I'm supporting my state by buying Jack Daniels, but it's one of my favorite bourbons, has been for many years. And you can tell by my t-shirt how much and what my love is for Jack Daniels. Most recently, I was even invited as a celebrity chef to go and judge the Jack Daniels World Barbecue Cooking Contest in Lynchburg, Tennessee. And I had such a blast. I learned so much history, learned so much about Nearest Green, who was one of Jack Daniels' right-hand man in developing this fantastic recipe. So guys, go to Jack Daniels' website, go follow them, and you'll learn all of the great information. Quite a fantastic story. So we're gonna start with some lemon and of course some Jack Daniels. So I got my shaker here, and we're gonna go on and hit it a little bit with my cousin Jack. Then see if I can get these seeds out of here. We're gonna come back and add some lemon juice. Yeah, just like that. Just give it a little sweet. I'm gonna add some honey. And we're just gonna give it a quick shake. Now I know a lot of people, give it a quick shake. A lot of people, they like Jack and Coke. And I used to drink it years ago, but I haven't been a big fan of it. I'm more on the rocks because it's such a smooth bourbon. And so I don't really care for it, but oh yes, look at that. And my measurements was perfect. Take a lemon wedge, kick that little seed out, slide it in the side. And let me tell you what, y'all, top that baby off with just a little sparkling water. That's a true winner. You can't lose with Jack Daniels. Y'all, thank you so much. Hopefully this is a cocktail that you can share with your friends and have in your home. I want to thank you so much for continuing to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Pat Neely BBQ King, but also check out my Facebook and Instagram pages at Pat Neely BBQ King for more of these delicious recipes, cocktails, some family time. We're just having a blast on social media. But again, thank you so much, y'all. Cheers.